The prime factorization of 4020 is, to do prime factorization, first we should frame it in this way. See, 4020. This is your step 1. Next, in this number last digit is 0, so you take 5 here. So first number is 4. 4 is smaller than 5, so we take two numbers, that is 40. When do we get 40 in 5 table? 5 8s 40. Next number is 2. 2 is smaller than 5, so we should take two numbers, that is 20. Whenever we take two numbers, compulsory we should put 0 here. At the start also we had taken two numbers, but here I put 0 or I do not put 0 is not going to make any difference. But in between, if you are taking two numbers, compulsory you should put 0. It's a rule, remember that. Now, here we have 20. When do we get 20 in 5 table? 5 4s 20. Now, in this number last digit is 4, which is even. So we take 2 here. So now first number is 8. When do we get 8 in 2 table? 2 4s 8. 0 as it is. 4. When do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Now in this number last digit is 2, which is even. So we take 2 here. First number is 4. When do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. This 0 as it is. Next number is 2. When do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. Now, in this number last digit is 1, which is not even. So this number is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. To check divisibility for 3, for that we should add the digits. That is 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. Is 3 divisible by 3? Yes. So this number also divisible by 3. So we take 3 here. Now first number is 2. 2 is smaller than 3, so we take two numbers, that is 20. So close to 20 in 3 table is 3 6 18. 20 minus 18 is 2, 2 carried forward making it 21. When do we get 21 in 3 table? 3 7s 21. Now 67 is a prime number. So we take 67 and 1. So prime factorization of 4020 is, you put into symbol here between the numbers, that is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 67. So this is the prime factorization of 4020. This also called as product of prime numbers of 4020. So this is our answer. Am I clear?